Making comparisons easy as pie. Mastering ACEs in English. Hello learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic in English language learning. This video is all about using the ACEs structure to make comparisons. By the end of this video, you'll be as proficient as a native speaker in using this structure. The structure ACEs is used in English to compare two things, people, or places that have the same degree or level of a particular attribute or quality. It's a really useful way to emphasize equality in comparisons. A typical sentence with this structure follows the pattern: as plus adjective, adverb plus as. For instance, you might say, she is as tall as her brother. This means that the height of the girl is equal to the height of her brother. There are both positive and negative ways to use ACEs. In positive comparisons, you're highlighting that two things are equal in some way. For example, this book is as interesting as the last one I read. He runs as fast as a cheetah. For negative comparisons, we use not before the first as to highlight the inequality. For example, this book is not as interesting as the last one I read. He does not run as fast as a cheetah. It's also possible to use ACEs with nouns. Here, it doesn't just compare, but also expresses the extent of something. Here are some examples. There are as many people here as there were yesterday. She has as much patience as a saint. Just remember, when using it with countable nouns, use as muchas, and with uncountable nouns, use as muchas. And there you have it. You are now as knowledgeable as any English speaker when it comes to using ACEs in comparisons. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate this structure into your everyday English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.